In this short video, I'll show you how to make a copy using your HP 3700 series printer. This is a 772, but it works with any other 3700 series. So let's say I want to copy this page over here. Very easy. What you need to do is, this is the scanner slot. This is where you're going to put the paper. Make sure that this is extended. Make sure that this is extended as well. Okay. Take some blank piece of paper, slide it right in here. Okay. Take the paper you want to scan, and this is very important. Okay. You need to glide it slightly, and the printer will take it just a tiny bit. You're gonna feel it. It will take it inside and stop. You heard this? Okay, if you didn't hear the paper made a noise and took the paper just ever slightly. This is very important because if it's not able to take it, it will try to scan it and it will give you black marks over your paper, and it will be not very pretty, let's say it this way. You see, right now I can do this and the page doesn't fly anywhere because the printer just took it a bit. Then you have two choices. This is the color copy. This is the black copy. It's up to you. I want a black and white copy, so I'll choose the second button here. When you're ready, just press on it. Usually, depending how many details there are, it can take up to a minute to do this process. Now it will take a paper and it will print on it. This is definitely not one of the fastest printer out there, but yeah, since it's compact, you know, this is a trade-off you need to do. Here we go. So this is the black and white copy of the document we previously scanned. Pretty close. So I hope this video was useful. If so, please leave a like, a comment down below. Check the links in the description, and I will see you in the next one.